What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the always on display not working in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will restart your phone, it will fix the small software glitches which includes the always on display issues. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, tap on do not disturb, and then here you will see a do not disturb button. So if you have enabled do not disturb, then always on display will stop working. So turn off do not disturb, and after that the always on display issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings. Scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here, update the phone's software to the latest version, and after updating the phone's software, the issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the issue after all these solutions, then the last solution is open settings one more time. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset all settings, and then again tap on this reset all settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the always on display will start working properly. So that's how you can fix always on display not working in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.